Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn Arabic language. Two things I want you to be aware of before we start. Arabic has 28 letters. And in Arabic we write from right to left, not like English. So let's start learning this beautiful language. The first letter is called Alif. Alif. Please repeat after me. Alif. And it pronounced as A in English. Alif, pronounced as A in English. I put two words here start with Alif. Asad, Asad, Alif, Sin, Dal. Asad means lion. And Ab, Alif, B. Alif, B means father. How you write Alif? Let's learn together how to write Alif. It's very easy. One big line. Then you write the top sign is called Hamza. I always say it's almost like two, but looking to the right side. It's almost like two, looks like two, but looking to the right side. Let's do it one more time. Alif, one big line. Then we put the Hamza on the top. It's almost like two, but looking to the right side. One more time. One big line, Alif. And Hamza. Hamza. That's how we write Alif. B, B, B. Pronounce as B in English. Pronounce as B in English. By the way, there is no P in Arabic. I put two words here start with B. Bab, 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 B, Alif, B means door. Bab means door. Baba, Baba, B, Alif, B, Alif means dad. So if you notice, guys, I put words that has the first letter and the second letter. Bab, B, Alif, B. Baba, B, Alif, B, Alif. How we write B? So try to draw almost like your dinner plate. I'm trying to make link here so it reminds everyone. And with dot underneath it. Sorry. Dot underneath it. Let's do it one more time. Your dinner plate with dot. Remember, B has one dot in the bottom because we're gonna learn later other letters that has more dots and different locations too. One dot on the bottom is B, and this is how we write B. T, T, T. Pronounce it as T in English. You pronounce the T as T in English. And the two words here we have is tag. Tag means crown. T, Alif, Gim means crown. Tag means crown. Tuffah. Tuffah means apple. T, F, Alif, Ha. Tuffah means apple. How we write T? You remember our dinner plate? Here we go. And instead of putting one dot in the bottom as in B, No, we're gonna put 2 dots on the top. This is T. Again, your dinner plate with 2 dots on the top. I just want to remind you that previously we learned B, which is your dinner plate again, with only 1 dot on the bottom. So this is T, your plate with 2 dots on the top, but this is B, your plate with 1 dot on the bottom. T, pronounced as T in English. B, pronounced as B in English. Th. Th, pronounced as TH in English. Th, th, th. Th, pronounced as TH in English. The 2 words we have here is thelg. Thelg. Thelg means ice or snow. In Arabic, you can call snow thelg or ice thelg. Thelg is th, lam, gim. Th, lam, gim. The second word is thom. Thom. Th, waw, mim. Thom means garlic. So we have thelg and thom start with th. How you write th? The same plate that we were talking about, but the difference here, we're gonna put 3 dots on the top. 3 dots on the top. Again, the same plate that we learned, your dinner plate. I'm trying to make a link to make it easy for everyone. With 3 dots on the top of your plate. And just to remind you, T is different than B or T. B, the second letter we learn, is like that. Your plate with only 1 dot on the bottom. This is B. T is the same plate with 2 dots on the top. So today we are learning th, but we want to know the difference between th and b and t. Th pronounced as th in English, but b pronounced as b in English. T pronounced as t in English. Th has 3 dots on the top. B has 1 dot on the bottom. T has 2 dots on the top.